One thing that's really important to keep in mind when we talk about data entry is both the resolution and the accuracy of the data that we're inputting. In this example here, we can see the difference in map resolution. And map resolution would be how large the pixel value, the pixel size is of the data that we're collecting. In this case, we can see a low resolution image off to the left and a much higher resolution image off to the right. In fact, the image off to the right is such high resolution that it's difficult or impossible to make out the individual pixels that make up the image. However, with the image to the left, we can easily see each of the pixels that's making up those black, white, and gray areas. When we talk about map accuracy and how it relates to resolution, we can have a very high resolution image, or in this case we're very zoomed in, but we can see the resolution of the image by looking at any of the individual grid cells or pixels, as is illustrated in the upper right-hand corner of this image. However, what we can do now is we can overlay it with something in the real world that we know is in the right location, and we can see that even though this image is a fairly high resolution, it's not very accurate in where the image was placed with respect to the data that we know where it was. And in this case, the data is that V-shaped black outline up to the up in the upper left, and the arrow that we see in the center of the image. In both cases, those are offset from where the image is offset from where the map data is in this case. So that even though we can specifically discuss the resolution of the image as being high resolution, it is not the most accurate data because it's offset from where things are in the real world.